Hello everybody. Today I will be showing you how to put together an Ikea corner cabinet. First we cut apart the top of the box. Open it up and take out all the parts. Put in the walls of the cabinet facing each other. Put on them the bottom of the cabinet and then take out the rest of the parts. Open up the box with all the little small pieces. Then we take the wooden little pieces and hit them in all around the cabinet. 2 of these at the top and then all around the sides of the cabinet. Then we take these little pieces and then we screw them in all around the cabinet. And also on the tops and on the sides. Then we take these metal brackets and also this kind of hardware and we screw them in, one on the left and one on the right. Then we take these types of screws and put them in the bottom of the cabinet in their designated spots. Then we take the bottom of the cabinet and put it together with the sides. Then turn it around and grab the other one and put it together. Then we screw it all together. Then we put the cabinet upright. And slide in the rear panel. Then we take one of the sides of the tops, put in the screws, and then we grab the one with the little slit in the back. Then we take the other piece and put it in the front. Then we put the cabinet on its face. Take these little nails in a right angle. We're going to put the right angle against the cabinet to make sure that it's a true right angle. The truer the right angle, the easier it is going to be to install. Put a couple in and then correct the angle. Then we could grab the right angle and check the other side. It is a true right angle. Then we take the nails and hit all along the line around the cabinet. Then we put it upright. Take these screws and brackets and put them on top in their designated spots. We're going to screw it in with the screws. These brackets are designated for the granite to sit on top of them. We'll turn this cabinet around and face it on its back. We have little holes where we put the rest of the hardware into it. In a likewise manner, we assemble the rest of the cabinet. Then we take these 2 little pieces and put in the screws in them. Put in the screws in these parts. Put them in. And the 2 little details on top. Put in the walls of the cabinet. Screw it all together. And then nail in the sides of the cabinet so then it will be ideally right. Then we take this finished piece and put it in its place. Screw it with these little screws. And this is how the corner cabinet. Take 2 packs of these stands. They have these little plastic pieces in them. They go into these bottom little holes. Then we take the feet, screw it together as we prep it to be installed. Put in the cap and then put the ring around it. This is how the feet look. We put them into their rightful places. The corner cabinet is now ready. It is ready to be installed. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Please hit the like button, and if you like my content, subscribe to my channel. I have more videos detailing how to install and put together an Ikea kitchen.